my presentation, I'd like to start off by just explaining and going over a little bit about who we are as a company, what we do on a day-to-day basis, what we've done to get to the point of where we are today. And therein, having overcome many challenges along the road to embedding vision into our customers' products. And through overcoming those challenges, a lot of mitigating systems and methodologies that we've applied into the development process have now ended up in us internally using a system on modular approach to overcome the problems that we face internally. And now we're at the point that we're able to deliver a system on modular approach out to our customers in order for them to mitigate against very much the same challenges that we ourselves have come across over the last years. So just to go over who we are and what we do, we're Teknique Limited. We're an embedded vision development company based in Auckland, New Zealand. We have offices in Munich, in Germany, and we also have representation here in the United States of America. What we do is we create better ways to view and interpret and understand the world by integrating our smart camera platform technology into electronic products. We've been around since 2004. We leverage exclusively on the Ambarella chipsets, and over the last 15 years, we've become pretty expert and specialist in what we do on the Ambarella chipsets. And as the slide says, we have aided in putting more than 6 million cameras successfully into the market to date. We are the name behind many well-known products that are out there on the market today from an embedded vision perspective. What we do is we take the onerous impact of research and development off a customer's shoulders who are not embedded vision specialists, who are product specialists, who want embedded vision in their products, and we free up our customers' resources for their own strategic initiatives